In today's video I'll show you how to share a Descript project with a Collaborator. We'll start on the Descript home screen, where you can see your recent projects laid out. Take a moment here to scan your list and find the exact file you want to work on. Once you spot it, simply click on the project title, and Descript will immediately begin opening the project file for you. As soon as the project finishes loading, you'll see your full interface with the text layout on the left and the video preview panel on the right. Now, let's bring our attention over to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a few different action buttons up there, but the one we are looking for is the collaboration button, which looks like a plus sign next to a person icon. Go ahead and click on that button to open up the project access panel. Inside this menu, you'll see a field where you can invite people directly. Click into that text box and type out the complete email address of the collaborator you want to add to your project. Right next to this text box, there's a drop-down menu that lets you manage their permissions. By default, it might say, "Can edit," but if you click on it, you can easily toggle between giving them editing rights or restricting them to "Can comment" instead, depending on what kind of feedback you need. For this tutorial, we will keep it set to edit access. Once you've entered the email and set the permissions, go ahead and click the Invite to Project button right next to the text box. After sending that invite, look down at the bottom of the project access panel. You'll see a section for managing link access, which is currently set to require project access. If you click on that option, a drop-down menu appears with a few different settings. You can choose to allow anyone with the link to comment, or restrict it so anyone with the link can only view the project. Let's click out of that and look right next to it, where you'll find a Copy Link button. Click on that button, and you will see a quick confirmation text pop up saying, "Copied," letting you know it's successfully saved to your clipboard and ready to be shared directly. And that's it. That's how you share a Descript project with a Collaborator.